Hey guys, today, on this windy day, oddly windy, I'll be destroying this weird looking Verizon flip phone. Yeah, let's do this. For some reason, it's got this weird like speaker on the front, and then you have your actual calling speaker here, so I don't know about this. Seems odd, if I do say so myself. So, let's see, what test should we do first? Water test? No, let's not kill it. Let's not kill it first thing off the bat. That's cool. Why don't we... You know what? Why don't we drop it off here onto the concrete while it's open? That sounds pretty good. You know, maybe get some screen cracking. We could, I don't know, maybe we'd break it in half. I'm not sure. Let's check it out. Yeah, I'm not sure about this. Oh yeah, look. See if you can see that. Yeah, that's a weird screen we got going on. Don't know. Should we try rebooting? Looks more like it's almost internally shattered than anything else, actually. Because the home screen's supposed to be butterflies flying. So I'm not sure about this. Here, wait, let's shut it. Goodbye. Oh, wait, did it just fully turn off? Oh, something's going... Oh, did we already kill this phone? Let's see here. Take off back. Let's see what we can do with this. You just set up the tripod. Here we go. Sorry, guys. Let's take out this battery. Let's put it back in. See what happens. See if we can even get it to boot up at all. Oh, that's our first screen of booting up. That is not yet. The back screen works. You can see that. Verizon. The other side, if I do say so, here, wait. You say so myself, that does not look like it's saying Verizon. Yeah, that does not look like Verizon. That looks like some weird shape of some sort. You know what? Just for the heck of it, let's see what happens if we close a rock in the middle of the phone. Like, let's say there was a rock in the middle of it. I'm gonna probably intensify it by like closing it with both hands, but just to see if we can even crack the screen, because it's only internally shattered, not externally shattered somehow. So let's see what we can do. I want to see if I can actually break this or not. Hey guys, so I found a good little rock, just to show you, to put in the middle of the phone. Close it. Okay, let's see what we can do with this. Here, let's try like just clamping down. Let's put that right in the middle of the screen. This will be great. Oh, this might snap. There you guys go. Oh, that does not feel good. Crack it. Just like, jeez, screen's like invincible. I don't know. You know what, actually, after this, because we've done some pretty good internal damage, let's see about a water test. What do you guys think? Tried the water test, but this time we got a sink that works. And there's your messed up screen and the somehow working back. And we even got a light up keyboard here. So, might get this in slow-mo. 3, 2. Ooh. Guys, somehow this thing has survived. Wait, has it? Okay, yeah, the battery's soaked. Just soaked. I don't know why this thing's alive. Not sure why. Here, wait. There, auto quality should be better. Had the waterproof case on it, just in case. What's going on? No, put on the back. Let the back go on. There we go. Okay. Oh, welcome. You have welcome. Okay, it works enough. So, let's see. Let's see about that tree there. See if we can huck it. Oh! Wait, what is that? Oh, that's not good. That is not good. Holy cow. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have 3 pieces. 3 pieces. What to choose? Oh, just the battery in the back fell out. That's lame. What? That's lame. Look at the whole thing blow up. Okay, wait, give me a second, guys. Yeah. This thing back in here. There we go. Okay. See if it boots up. Oh? Have we killed it? No, we haven't. How about while it's booting up, let's huck it at the tree. Oh! Yes! Yeah! Yep, we split it in half. Well, guys, it has survived a water test, hucking at concrete, hucking off a 20-foot drop, and oh geez, this is starting to split in half too, and not quite hucking it against a tree, but that's pretty good for this little flip phone. I thought it was dead. If I boot it up, the keyboard still lights up, which means it's still alive after not only splitting in half, but a bunch of other stuff. And see, look, that little red light for booting, and the keyboard glows blue. So that means this thing is alive. So I'm gonna huck it on the concrete, close range, but super hard. And I'm gonna put it in slow-mo for you guys. 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, so I think possibly once and for all we destroyed this, because if you see, it's split in half. We've got our good old motherboard in there. Here, wait, let's clip it back together, put the battery in there, and just see if it boots. If it doesn't boot, then we have successfully destroyed this flip phone. Red light, come on. Seriously? Have we destroyed it? Have we actually destroyed it? Oh, we haven't. Holy cow. Or no, I mean we have. Never mind. Sorry. Yep. Shockingly, we have destroyed the flip phone. Okay, guys. So that was actually a lot of fun. yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit subscribe. Yep. I almost just said thanks for watching again. So yeah, it's about how powerful your average flip phone is. Well, I don't know about average with this weird speaker, but yeah. Peace out.